I don't know how I died there. Okay, sure.
Interesting.
I just died to the most free part ever.
So it's just good.
Exactly.
Barbecue chicken alert.
It's my specialty that I had the
Barbecue
most
chicken
free part.
alert. Barbecue chicken alert. Barbecue chicken alert. Give him that word. Barbecue chicken alert. Barbecue chicken alert. Leave him hurt. I'm checking the food. Bro, your grab put him back in the school. I'm packing a tool. Back to the bench and I'm grabbing a stool. Still crazy shot when I'm in the game. Should be brain a lie. Still bop. And your chick should die. Shoot over me or get blocked. There goes that man. Dusty. Don't get your mama. I dominate. Like women young. Better huddle, cook for your nan no longer. Bullying you in the paint, cause we're stronger. When you're getting cooked, my game is over. Look, Scott, hook, head up, hook, left me shook. Y'all my sons, David booked.
No!
What the fuck?
No!
Why was there shake? Why was there shake?
That's why you always remove shake.
I disabled it. I forgot. Fuck.